Not bad. I like it. This is not bad at all. Now, before I start the video, if you haven't, go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the like button, and you won't regret it. And stick around to the end of the video. I'm gonna show you a very basic tricks, what to do and how to use AI apps to create characters, avatars, using your own photos or just random photos. So, hey, let's get right into it. Alright, today I'm working on the music video for Felicity. The song is called the Is It Love, okay? So I really wanna use Felicity's photo. And then with that, I'm gonna make animation with it, okay? Now, before we do it, all right? This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have 3 AI apps open. First of all, we're gonna go with the ChatGPT, okay? What are all the Japanese animation styles out there in 2026? Hybrid steps, 2D and CG integration, 3D background objects with 2D characters. Okay, that's pretty cool. Experimental alternative. Let's try this. Everyday life. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna copy that, the slice of life. And I don't know how to pronounce that thing, so I'm not gonna say it. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. Wow, there's still a lot more. But anyways, I'm gonna order ChatGPT to make me a prompt. Okay, so I'm going to make a anime character using a real photo. I want... Oh, I got... Didn't get copy, man. We're gonna have to go back. So it was, which one was it? Slice of life. Slice of life, everyday life, calming tone. Okay. I want style, everyday life, calming tone. Make me a perfect prompt for Grok. Let's see what it does. So when you do that, ChatGPT will create the prompt just for the Grok, right? So let's see. I'm gonna copy all this. And then we're gonna go here and open up Grok. And then from Grok, we're gonna go ahead and on the left-hand side, we're gonna go ahead and click on Imagine. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and upload Felicity's photo here. Let me see. Like I said, I've been working on it. So I'm gonna upload that thing. And then, okay, there's the photo. And I'm gonna go ahead and click on Edit Image. And then paste whatever I had. I know it's a pretty long prompt. Now, if Grok doesn't actually make it really good, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna try to do this in a Gemini Nano Banana, okay? So we're gonna try this first though. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. And I'm gonna compare it. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Gemini 2. And I'm gonna compare the two and then use the one that I want. Yeah. Okay. Not bad, but that's not what I thought it was gonna do. Maybe I want a different style, right? Create image. Upload a file. Where is it? There it is. Paste that prompt. All right, let's see what Gemini do. It's a little bit realistic here. All right, so this is what Gemini created. It's a bit realistic. This is what Grok did. All right, so let's change the style. Yeah, I don't like that calm mode. I don't like that, okay? So let's try another style. So when you're using the AI, this is what you have to do. You cannot just click and then be like, okay, I'll go with that. I mean, you could. I mean, the ones that Grok and Gemini just generated for me, it's not bad. I mean, I could totally use it, but I'm not like 100% convinced, right? So I'm gonna do it until I'm like satisfied. And that's the key. You're making a music video, right? So you want that vibe that you're looking for. All right, let's try this. All right, we're gonna keep on trying. See how easy to use this? You just need to know how to copy and paste basically, and that's all you need to know to actually use this AI apps. It's quite easy. If I can do it, you can do it. All right, let's see. Let's go. Emotion, softness. Okay. All right, let's go. All right, since we created a lot, right, the data is in there, so we can just choose the one that we want to use at the end, all right? But we'll give it a couple more tries here. Let's see what we can come up with. Click on edit image again, paste the prompt, let's go. Please. But Grok is super, not bad. I like it. This is not bad at all. All right, so we're gonna go with this. Now, one more thing you can do here. Now, what you want in your music video, you want the consistency, correct? So we got the close-up shot. Now we want the full body shot, and then you want all the angles. And that's how I do it. I don't know what other people do it, but that's how I do it. So what I'm gonna order the Grok to do is make me a full body shot of this anime girl from, oops, cannot type, head to toe. Boom, let's see, it's gonna do it. From here, once you have chosen your character and then making the full body shots, these are easy ones. There you go, see that? Consistency is definitely there. There's one with the skirt, but I like the one with the jeans. So let's compare. This is the actual character. There's a full body shot, I love it. And we're gonna go ahead and download that as well. Now, full body shot of this anime girl from the head to toe. Side view. We need the side view and the back view. And after that, we're done. We're done making the character. See that? That was great, right? All right. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna create the back view. That's it. We're just prompting it and it's just making it for you. There you go. So, yeah, there you go. So we're gonna go ahead and download it. Now let's see as a slideshow. So this is what we got here. The back view, side, front, close. Pretty good, right? I think today we have accomplished our task. So I'm just gonna wrap it up. But always remember, guys, I know that, the using AI app, to some people, not all of you guys, but to some people, it could be a little bit overwhelming, intimidating and stuff like that. I was too, but I'm the kind of person that, I would try it. I would always just go ahead and try it first. Yeah, so try to do it. If you guys like this stuff, you guys like to watch this kind of stuff like AI generated animations or AI generated like realistic videos, if you like it, you could totally do it too. So why don't you give it a try? So usually I would share like the final music video on my channels, right? And that's been the most of all my content so far. But I kind of thought about this and I thought, hey, maybe some people might be wondering how I made all this stuff, right? So yeah, time to time, I will share this, and the time that I'll be sharing this is gonna be usually on Wednesdays. So if you guys are curious about the AI apps and how I wanna know and wanna learn how to use it, basic stuff, Me, I'm learning as well at this point, so I don't think I'm the right person to be teaching you from like 1 to 10, A to Z, but the little tricks that I learned, right? The little tricks that I know and what I use, right? This tactics that I use that could be very beneficial for you, I'll go ahead and share it. And those days will be Wednesdays, okay? So don't forget about that. If you stuck around to the end of the video, I really appreciate it. And I really want you guys to, click that like and subscribe, and that will really help me out. So yeah, until the next time, I'll see you guys again. But thanks for watching my videos, and I'll see you next time.